All right, this video is for James, and just gonna give you a closer look at the 2014 Ram 3500. Beauty truck, like you said. It's already got the nice lift wheels on there, tuned, deleted. Nice headache rack. Color's actually really cool. I like the color. It's dirty, could use a nice wash. So there's that. I'll unlock it and show you the inside. So here, I'll explain what I was talking about here. So there's two options you have for the inside. I would get for 16 to 1800 bucks, you can get front and rear custom heated seats. You can get them any color you want. So I would get black custom heated leather. It'll be the console as well. Okay. There's the screen on there. So that's what I'm talking about, right? You don't have any climate controls on there anyway. So this would come out and you'd get a nice aftermarket double din deck in there and it would look great. So there you go. I'll show you the back. There you go. But if it were me, I'm going with the 14 Laramie. Okay, a lot more resilient color, right? It's just the tires, right? It's got small tires on there, buddy. You slap some 35s on this truck and you are rock and rolling, right? There's the dent there. So that could be fixed if that bugs you. Right, beds are nice. So you got the sliding glass rear window. You got the running boards. Right, get yourself a nice off-road bumper on the front. Maybe a winch or something. But the Laramie is the way to go. Like, the inside's just world of a difference, man. Look at that. Right? So very nice truck. Obviously you have the sunroof, rear sliding glass window, full console. There's the big screen you like, right? You got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, exhaust brake, tow haul mode, all that good stuff. So there's that. Now, what else was I gonna show you? Basically, there we go. I mean, we got a full lot of trucks. Is this? And yeah, that's the 17 Lariat. You're looking at 67 on that. My God. There's another 17 there. That's a higher mileage. Got a nice GM 2500. And yeah, this is the truck I was talking about here. Look at that. 2017 350. Full Lariat. Right. It's locked, so I can't show you the inside, but very similar to the Laramie trim, right? This truck it's absolutely spotless, man, right? Very, very clean. You got the nice running boards on there. Nice light bar on the front. So payment and value-wise, that's my choice. You know, it's already leveled, so you can put a nice set of wheels and tires on there and you're rock and rolling, man. So anyways, there we go.